If you have been uploading your videos directly as public, that might be the reason why you have not been having views, watch hours and subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the uploading mistake you have been making and the right way for you to be able to upload your YouTube video for massive views. And I will advise you to pay very close attention to this video, as I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you'll be able to get started. Okay, and you should come right here on my screen right here. You'll be able to see that this particular video right there on my second channel actually have over 51,000 views in less than 30 days. And I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to achieve this in less than 30 days. I'm also going to be sharing with you the amount of subscribers I was able to gain with this particular channel and how I was able to actually monetize with this particular video right here. And I will advise to pay very close attention. But before we continue, I am Coach Osolo. I share tips and strategies for you to be able to grow your YouTube channel and be able to get more views. If you actually enjoy this type of content, make sure you like this video right now and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Let's go on. Okay, if you come right here, you'll be able to see that this particular video is about less than 5-minute video, but the retention rate of this particular video is actually very strong. I actually make the hook and introduction of this this particular video very strong, which means over 51% of people are actually watching this particular video from beginning to the end. Not only are they watching this video from beginning to the end, the introduction is actually captivating them, which means majority of them are interested in this particular video. Pay very close attention. This is not all. I'm about to share you a secret right here. If you come to this particular section right now, you'll be able to see that this particular video gave me over 960 watch hours. This particular video, the video is about 3 minutes, less than 5-minute video. Okay, just about 3-minute video. Okay, and if you check right here, you see that this particular video actually gave me about 592 subscribers. You can see just only a single video gave me about 592 subscribers, and the amount which this particular video actually earned me on my second channel will actually shock you. Okay, because I actually published this particular video before I actually got monetized, because I actually have a lot of other videos that stayed trending at that moment, which actually got me monetized even before this particular video will reach up to 20,000 views. Okay, and the impression will even shock yourself. Before I show you the amount this particular video was able to earn me, let me show you the impression. Okay, let's go to the impression, and you need to understand that the niche of this particular video is actually on make money and crypto niche. Okay, and if you should come there, you see that the impression of this particular video is over 200k impression. And let's click on it right now. Let's see how people are actually seeing this particular video. If you come to this impression right now, you are going to see that search is the major one right there. The next one is over just 10,000 people actually come from suggested videos actually see this video. Impression is total number of people that actually see this particular video, either they click it or they pass it. You can see, and over 241 people actually see this particular video. You can see. And let's go back right now, and I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy I have been able to use to actually pull this particular traffic right here within a short period of time, and things I actually do. Okay, let me actually show you the earning of this particular video. You can see just less than 30 views, 30,000 views actually earn me this particular amount. And I'm going to be sharing with you the step-by-step process and the particular setting I actually turn on my YouTube Studio dashboard for me to be able to actually achieve this. And all you need to do is to come to your browser right now, either your Firefox or Chrome browser, search for studio.youtube.com. Once you actually search for it, it will take you to this particular dashboard section right there, and you can see that this is actually my new channel, and I'm about to turn on this particular feature on my new channel, and you'll be able to see the views I will start getting after turning on this particular features on my new channel. Pay very close attention, as I will be sharing with you the features and the right way for you to be able to post your YouTube video for massive views. Okay, all you need to do is to come to this particular section right now, click on this particular angle right here, click on it. Once you actually click on it, you allow it to load. Immediately after loading, the next section you need to actually click on right now for you to be able to turn on this particular feature is click on this home tab. Click on it. Once you click on this home tab, the next you need to do is to scroll down right now to this scroll to the right section. Once you scroll down to the right section, you see this particular section right now, you are going to turn it on. It will be off when you reach this particular section. Make sure you turn it on so that this particular section will be visible. The button we are about to click on will be visible when we turn on that particular section. Come right here and turn it on. After turning it on, you will be able to see that this particular section right now is actually visible right now. The next thing you need to do is to come to this section, click on more setting. Once you click on more setting, it will take you to this particular page section right now. Okay, once you take you to this particular page section right now, make sure you turn on all these 3 buttons. You are going to see these 3 buttons. Turn it on. Okay, this will actually help your YouTube channel to actually be more visible to large number of people, and you'll be able to be getting more impression. And more impression means lot of people will be seeing your videos, and there is chance of you getting clicks. Okay, come to this particular section right now, and you'll be able to see that this particular button will be in all content recommendation, which means YouTube YouTube should be recommending all your content, any of your content easily. But what you are going to do right now is click on this last one. Click on it. Turn off this particular first one. Turn it off, and choose this particular second one right now. Once you are going to select recent content only, content that you've posted in the past 12 months, which means content that you have posted in last 12 months is what YouTube should be pushing for you. You can see but this particular one is telling YouTube that YouTube, you can push any content to, either is my old content that is outdated, you can push it, but this one is telling YouTube that push my new content to that is latest, that people will be interested in. You can see, because you are always publishing latest content, a lot of people will be interested in that latest content, and that will actually favor your channel. That will actually help you to get more views, more subscribers, and also more watch hours. Come to this particular section right now. After turning it on, make sure you come to this section right now and click on done. Click on done. When you click on done, that is not all. The mistake that a lot of users actually make is that they after clicking on done, they will go on right now and leave their dashboard. No, that is not the right way. Once you actually turn it on, come to this particular section right now, you will be able to see this publish section right now. It will be visible. Click on this publish. Click on it. Once you click on this publish, the setting has been saved. You can see the setting has been saved, and immediately after saving this particular setting, the next thing you need to do is to come to this particular section right now. That is not where I'm going to. Go on right now and click on this playlist right now. Once you click on playlist right now, if you do not have a playlist, make sure you create one. Create a playlist. This will actually help you to categorize your videos based on the type of video which you are actually creating. If you are creating content about entertainment, make sure that content about entertainment actually being in entertainment section. Make sure that content about finance is under finance playlist. That will actually help you to actually easily understand your video easily and know the type of audience to actually recommend it to. And when you are creating video about entertainment, make sure that the video is really entertaining people. Not that you will create video about entertainment tomorrow you will create video about finance and put it in an entertainment playlist. That is not okay. After creating your playlist and input the video on playlist, scroll down right now to this particular section right now. Let me show you another important setting you need to actually do. Click on more. Okay, once you click on more, pay very close attention. Come to this particular section. You are going to see authored content. Do any of the following describe your content? Pay very close attention. Okay, make a real person appear to say or do something or that they didn't say or do. Author footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking sign that actually occur or not. Okay, if you actually use AI to create your content, choose yes. But if you do not use AI to create your content, choose no. Which means, as I'm recording myself using my face right now, I'm not going to choose yes. I'm going to choose no, because I do not use AI to create my own content. If you use AI to create your content, make sure you choose yes, so that YouTube will actually categorize your video as AI generated content. But if you choose no, which means YouTube will categorize your video as non-AI generated content. Okay, let's go on. Okay, if you have any question, make sure you drop it for me in the comment section of the video. Pay very close attention, because we have another setting we need to actually turn on right now. Come to this particular section right now. You are going to see publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If you are a small channel owner, your YouTube channel is still have below 50 views or 100 views, and they don't usually watch your content. Those YouTube, well, let's take for instance that you told your friends to actually subscribe to your channel. Those your friends that subscribe to your channel may not be watching your videos. All you don't need to do is click on this particular section right now. Turn off this particular section right now. Publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Turn it off, so that YouTube will not suggest this particular video to those your subscribers at first. It will, so that it is not that those your subscribers will not see it though, but YouTube will not notify them immediately that you have published a new video. YouTube will start suggesting it to different audience that have never watched your video if you turn off this particular feature, and that will actually give your video a boost. But if your subscriber, your little subscribers, do watch your videos, anytime that you share a new video, make sure you turn this particular setting on, because the first impression matters. If you publish your video and you mark this particular section, and YouTube, and after, let's say, after like 1 hour, 2 hours, those subscribers do not watch your videos, it will actually give YouTube bad impression that your video is not good, because your subscribers are not watching that particular video, and that will make you not to get views, not to get more views, because YouTube will stop pushing that particular video. You will lose watch hours and also lose subscribers. Okay, go on right now and turn it off. Once you actually turn it off, before you actually go on right now and come to the main section of the video, let's go to the main section of the video right now. So I actually inform you not to publish using YouTube Studio application is because most of these features will not be in your YouTube Studio application. You can only find most of these settings in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay, once you come to this particular section right now, you are going to see private, you are going to see unlisted, and you are going to see public. You are going to put this video on private as when you are actually uploading as a default. Okay, and when a video is on private, you will be the only one that will be able to access this particular video. But when video is unlisted, you can easily share this link to anybody, and the person will be able to watch this video when the video is on unlisted section. But when a video is private, which means anybody can easily access this particular video right now. But when for you to be able to get massive subscribers and be able to get more views, keep this video on private when you are just uploading it for the first time. When you actually upload it, go on right now and save this particular video. When you actually save this particular video, it will actually give you YouTube algorithm time to be able to access this particular video, understand the type of audience which YouTube algorithm will be able to suggest this particular videos to, and the particular keyword which you are actually targeting. YouTube will be able to pick out that particular keyword, which means immediately you actually publish this particular video, let's say after 12 hours or after 24 hours, when you publish this particular video and people are searching for that keyword, they will be able to access that particular keyword. Mostly if it is a trending keyword, you'll be able to get massive views within a short period of time using this particular method which I just share with you right now. If you have been trying this particular process, let me know in the comment section of this video, and after that, go on right now and add your end screen. If you don't know how to add end screen and card, let me know in the comment section of this video, as I'm going to be making a special video explaining to you the strategy you can use to actually attract more views using end screen and card. Let me know in the comment section of this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, and also like this video so that you always get more updates anytime I publish a new video like this. I hope you found value in this particular video. My name is Coach Osolo, and I'm signing out for now. See you in my next video.